2009 Switzer fellow Brenda Zollitsch is addressing pollution that impacts waterways. She focuses on something referred to as non-point source pollution. This is Switzer Network News.
Non-point source pollution is pollution that comes from all sorts of different diverse places. It's runoff from parking lots. It's roof runoff that has higher temperatures. It's something from somebody's driveway. It's water that runs off, but it doesn't come from a specific pipe. It's not a factory or a paper mill that has a process that's putting pollution out into the water. It carries with it pollutants such as oils, lawn care chemicals, salt, things like that that are on the ground. It goes into the storm drain system. Something most people don't understand is that it's generally untreated. It does not go to a wastewater treatment plant, which is why you sometimes see the storm drain stenciling that says drains to bay. It means that the water is going into the storm drain and it's going untreated down into either a river, a stream, estuary, ocean. Specific changes that you're seeing in the environment are changes in algal populations, algae blooms. You're seeing outbreaks on beaches of various bacteria. One of the impacts on streams that we're seeing is reduced biodiversity. Various species of fish are no longer there. You're seeing various insects that are no longer present, and those are indicators of environmental health. So the challenge of non-point source pollution is that it's coming from all these different sources, and there's no one place that we can go and say, you need to make a change and it will all be better. Across the country, there are opportunities for people to work together to address stormwater pollution. The way that stormwater is regulated in the United States actually comes down to the municipalities, and they have very important roles to play in helping with education and outreach to local citizens, to improving their own practices in their municipal operations, whether it's doing better job street sweeping or improving oil management plans, spill pollution plans, and so forth at the local level. And they're also helping change the regulations and ordinances that look at development, how buildings are constructed, soil and erosion runoff, things like that. I'm working primarily with municipalities and their partners to work to create regional solutions. One of the greatest impacts that we've had is a statewide collaboration that developed a media campaign called the Think Blue Outreach Campaign. We've seen a large number of people making personal changes. We've been able to validate that through research. Maine serves as a tremendous model for bringing people together across government boundaries, sector boundaries, geographic boundaries. The Maine model has regulators working side by side with the people, the municipalities they're regulating, and nonprofits to find solutions that can be implemented on the ground, not just regulations that are coming down from above, but instead they've been worked on jointly and that they can actually produce the results that we are hoping for.
And here's a link for you if you'd like to learn more about Maine's Think Blue campaign. This is Switzer Network News.